Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are, August 19th, 2019. A very, very expensive day because I got the van back. And I had to go pick it up and pay for it. And had a couple of more surprises. And what could be more of a surprise than what we had? Well, I'm going to show you here in a minute. The wind's blowing like crazy, so sorry this is right in the way. All right. Here is what the bill came out to be. $5,733.78. All right. I was smart enough before I paid to ask, hey, do you guys give military discount for veterans? And they checked with the manager, said, yeah. So they gave me $272 off. Brought it down to $5,461.78. A lot of money. Yep, a lot of money. So anyway, it's paid for. I got it back. There's my receipt right there. And I had a couple of people, when I posted my distress about the cost of this thing, mentioned in the comment section that they would be happy to help me out if I had some place where they could send me some money. Well, I went online and I opened a PayPal account. And this is the link, paypal.me/GBear homesteading. And you can go to www.paypal.me and put in GBear homesteading. That'll get you there also. But you'll be allowed to make donation payments directly to me. They're personal payments. And I appreciate it. Anything that you can spare and anybody that would like to, and I'm not going to hold it against anybody who can't. I know times are tough. Well, they're tough on me too, and I wasn't going to even do this, but I got a couple of requests from some people, and it gave me the idea, why not? Let's put it together and see if I can't do a little bit of recovery on this extensive cost. All right. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I'm going to be going inside here in a little while and popping a cold one. Got my solar panels up for the afternoon sun, but now they're in the shade, so I'll put them back down to catch the morning sun. And the winds are about 11 miles per hour. Temperature right now is just about 94 degrees. Humidity's low, and so am I. I got a low feeling. Oh well, life goes on, right? Got a lot of things to do. So tomorrow, if the heat wave isn't too unbearable, no pun intended, or maybe there was a pun intended, I will be getting some things done around here. Because I've got to get things done. Can't let little setbacks throw a stick in the spoke and take out all the spokes. You know, as long as there's 4 spokes, and with one on each end, you can still spin the wheel. All right. I think I'll probably work on finishing the shelving inside the containers tomorrow, so I can get things put away, or maybe I'll even clean up this mess over here and set up some racks on the other side of the container and get the wood stacked, and I'll maybe even bend the handrail pipe for my future guests. I've got some time before they come up. I just spoke to one of them on the phone, and he's got company down right now. And what a lucky guy he is. He's got 5 women in his house. Wow. Imagine how enjoyable that would be. All right. Well, that's it. I'm going to have to postpone doing my winter water fill up until I can recover a little bit. Living on Social Security is a tough thing. And I got some savings, but you know, those are for extremely rainy days. And I put all of this on a credit card that I had just paid down to get rid of the debt. Well, it's all back again. I started with that amount, it was just around $5,700, and I paid it all down, and now it's back again. Go figure. All right, let's get off the sad topics here and get moving. I'm going to get some work done around here tomorrow, and I'll be posting videos as the work is done. G-Bear reminding you, please give me a thumbs up down there, and don't forget to share and subscribe and save and all of that kind of stuff. And I will also post that link for my my PayPal or Pay Me PayPal thing down in the comments below this video. So remember to scoop on down to the bottom and look in the comments, and you should see it down there. All right, everybody. Enjoy your evenings. G-Bear signing off.